Hello and welcome to another edition of Ask ENS. We are here to answer the question you have asked in store and online. Today we are in the kitchen to talk about multifunction mixer taps. Are multifunction mixer tap right for my family? Multifunction mixer taps, like the Billy model you see here, are ideal for any family looking for the latest in kitchen convenience. For example, with this 5-in-1 model, you get instantly boiling, chilled, sparkling, and mains-fed hot and cold water. It's a really great way to declutter your kitchen to get all different kind of water in one single tap. Are multifunction mixer taps safe? Safety is a big issue in any family kitchen. Billy has you covered with safety lock technology. This prevents it from being turned on accidentally, making it safe for kids and giving peace of mind to parents. Are multifunction mixer tap easy to maintain? Billy has made sure their eco-friendly filters and CO2 canister are super easy to replace. Replacing the filter of this unit is very easy, you can do it yourself. And if you need to replace the canister for the sparkling water, you can do it yourself, you can connect it yourself in minutes. A lot of customers ask me, how easy is it to install multifunction taps? It's super easy, your plumber can do it, or if you prefer a company like Billy, they can provide you a professional installation service that they come to your home and install it for you. The multifunction mixer tap take up a lot of space. With multifunction mixer tap like this, you can declutter your kitchen. It's look more streamlined and sleek. Their compact, space-saving design fits easily under any sink. So you're getting 5-in-1 function without all the mess and clutter or heap of gadgets or bottles in your kitchen or fridge. We understand the aesthetic is very important as well for the look of your kitchen. Multifunction mixer tap, like Billy we have here, comes with different range of colors and finishes that you can choose to match your kitchen appliances. With multifunction mixer tap like this, it's a great way to reduce the clutter in your kitchen, so you can use your bench top for other activity that you do in the kitchen, for cooking, food prep, and other things. I hope this has helped answer some of your questions about multifunction mixer taps. If you have any question and if you want to know more about the range from Billy, visit an ENS showroom and we'll talk to one of our kitchen appliances experts. We look forward to seeing you soon. If you have any specific question you want ENS to answer in another edition, please let us know.